As discussed yesterday, now we are going to teach a fraction into a decimal and decimal into a fraction and fraction into a percentage and vice versa. Now, as we see, the question is there, that is, convert the following fraction into the lowest form and convert this fraction into decimal and decimal into the percentage. Your fraction is 3/12. Now we are going to discuss what is the fraction. Fraction is a part of a whole number. For example, suppose your father have the 20 rupees note and you want 2 rupees from this 20 rupees note. So then what you will get from your father? That will be a 2/20. This is a fraction. And now what is the decimal? Decimal just like a fraction but in another form. The decimal have two parts. One is the denominator and another is the numerator. Denominator will be the power of 10th place and denominator will be the place in the right of the decimal point, like 0.12. That means here is the decimal, denominator is 100 and numerator is 12. So how it will convert into a fraction? Then just place the numerator 12 and denominator as the in place of point we will write 1, and after the point there is a 2 digit, so there will be the 20. That is the fraction. We convert decimal into a fraction. Now start our problem. That is, the fraction is 3/12. First we will convert this fraction into a lowest form. So how? Now the 3 means 3 into 100 by 12 means 3 into 4. So it is equivalent to 1/4. So 3/12 lowest form is 1/4. Now we will convert this 1/4 into a decimal. So as we say, the denominator will be the 10th place. So we will convert this denominator into the 10 number or 100 number or 1000 number. Look at 1/4 equals to 1 into 25 by 4 into 25 equals to 25 by 100. Now this is a fraction, we will convert into a decimal. So what I say, as in the definition of the denominator, so denominator would be the 10th place. So now here is a 10th place, means the denominator will be the multiplication of the 10. It may be 100, it may be only 10, or it may be the 1000. So now write 25 and place, instead of 1, place a point, and after point there is a 20. So this point will be placed from the right. If we move from right to left, 1 2 digit, after 2 digits at the left side. So this will be the decimal. So 1/4 we can write 1/4 is equal to the 0.25. This is the decimal. That means it is also a fraction, but we convert into another form of numerical system. Now how we will convert 1/4 into a percentage? 1/4 is a fraction. Now percentage means, so how many part, what is the value how many part of 100 is the fraction. So we need to convert the denominator into the 100, and to convert denominator in 100, what will be the numerator is the percentage. So we can write 1 divided by 4. To convert the 100, we need to multiply 25. Similarly, we will multiply the numerator by 25. So it will be 25 by 100. So what is the percentage of 1 by 4? So when we will convert this part into a percentage, then we need to multiply this by 100, because how many part of the 100? So it is 100 multiplied, equal, it will be 25 only, and then the percentage, sign of percentage will place here. So what is the percentage of 1 by 4 is 25. Similarly, we can convert any percentage into the fraction, like suppose 3 by 4, or suppose 75%. So how we will convert in the fraction? Now 75% equal to 75. As you know, when we bring the sign of percentage, then we multiply here the 100. So similarly, reverse process is there. So we will divide the 75 by 100. Now this equal to 3 into 25. Now this is 4 into 25. So we can erase out we can divide the numerator by 25 and denominator by 25. So it will be 3 by 4. Now the percentage 75 is equivalent to fraction 3 by 4. Similarly, the fraction percentage can be converted into decimal. Look, take a percentage 25%. So first we will convert it into the fraction. So how we will convert it into the fraction? So 25 divided by 100. Now the denominator become the 100. So we can directly convert this fraction into a decimal. How? First write 25. Now how many zeros are there? 1, 2. So from the right we will move left side 2 digit, 1, 2, and then put the point. So 25 convert into the decimal, 25% convert into the decimal, that is the 25. Now again, how we will convert the decimal into the fraction? Now suppose you have the decimal of 0.35. Now this 0.35 means 35 and divide by 100. Why 100? Here we saw that if there is a 100 or there is a 100, this is converted into decimal 0.25. So from and if you back in reverse process, then 0.25 will be converted into the fraction. Then we will divide the numerator by the 100. So here the numerator is the 35. So numerator will divide by 100. Then this point will be removed here. Now this is 7 into 5 and this is 20 into 5. So this 5 and this 5 strike out. Now what is left out? The 7 by 20. So if we convert the 0.35 decimal numerical system into the fraction, it will be 7 by 20. Now we are going to give you some problem and you will solve it, and you will comment it, and you will like our channel, and you will subscribe our channel. Now this is your work that we gave 3 by 5 a fraction, convert it into the decimal and convert it into the percentage, and convert this percentage again to the fraction and again to the decimal. Goodbye.